Hi guys, in this tutorial I will tell you how to style the forms created by forms.py. Before that, we need to check some requirements on our local machine. For that, type the following command to check the Django is installed on our local machine or not. py space -m Django hyphen hyphen version, which is nothing but Python -m is admin Django hyphen hyphen version. I'm using 3.1.4. You can use anything higher than 3. If Django was not installed on your local machine, you can install by using this command pip space install Django. This command will install the Django on your local machine. So let's create a Django project by using the following command py space admin Django start project space project name. As of now, I'm giving project as my project name. So as you can see, we have successfully created the project. So navigate to the project folder, see project name. So we have successfully changed the directory of the project. After that, we need one more app on our Django project to work on this. Type the following command to create an app, that is py space manage.py space start app space app name. As of now, I am giving demo as my app name. You can give any of your personal choice. So as you can see, the demo app was also successfully created. In this demo app, I'm going to create new file which is urls.py file, which helps us in routing. Keep it aside. We'll come back later. Alright, go to the settings.py file and configure the demo app in installed app. Make sure you keep a comma here. After that, configure the templates in this array. So for that, I'm going to create a new folder, templates, which can hold all HTML files. In that templates folder, create a new file which is index.html. So as of now, for the checking, I'm using boilerplate code and using h1 tag to display hello for checking. So save that. After that, go to the urls.py in demo app. Here from Django.urls import path. Here create a URL patterns array like this. So here I am going to write my first path as localhost path, which is single quotes represent the localhost. Use dot home name equal to home. As you can see, we are getting a warning for views. To resolve it, write this line from dot import views. So go to the main urls.py, which is project urls.py file. Here import include function. So write one more path, which is localhost path again views. So this time I will use include function, include of demo.urls. So we have configured everything pretty much. So let's start our server by using following command py space manage.py space run server. Okay, so we haven't created view in views.py file of demo app. So let's create a view with name home, which we have previously configured in urls.py. So home request return render of request comma in single quotes index.html file. So as you can see, successfully compiled. Go to the browser and type following the address localhost colon 8000. As you can see, we are successfully rendering hello. To create a model form, we need to create a model in models.py file of demo app. Here what you can do is create a class student of models.model. First field is name equal to models dot char field of and max length equal to 200. Next, roll number equal to models dot integer field of. So we have created a model. So let's create one more file in demo app, which is forms.py app. In this app, from Django.forms import model form. From dot models import all models. So here class equal to student form of forms dot model form. Here meta, take this off, class meta equal to. Here what you can do is configure the model equal to student. Next, fields equal to, I'm using all fields. So here let's try rendering this form into HTML file. To make this working, we need to modify our home function a little bit. So here form equal to, before writing this, just import the forms. From dot forms import all. Here form equal to student form equal to a new dictionary where form colon form. What you can do is here pass this my dictionary as a context. Context equal to my dictionary. So go to the index.html, remove this hello, instead of that a container. In that write form and display it as a paragraph in Jinja format. Let's save this and go to the browser. Let's refresh this. As you can see, we got two fields without styling, the basic HTML template. To add the styling to this, what we can do is, we have no HTML code or classes to add the CSS to this HTML. So go to the forms.py and again under the fields write widgets equal to new dictionary of. Here name, here name colon forms dot, as we know Name is text input. Text input of attributes equal to a dictionary where class colon the class name. I'm going to write foreign control. Again, keep a comma, copy the same line, paste it under here. Instead of name, we created another field which is role, and we know that it is a number input. So forms dot number input of class colon foreign control. So save this. Here I wrote bootstrap classes. So go to the browser and refresh. As we know, there is no changes as of now. What we need to do is go to bootstrap site and click on first link. So click on get started. As you can see, we have CSS CDN. Copy the CSS CDN to the clipboard and paste it in index.html in header tag. After pasting it, go to the browser again and refresh your page. As you can see, you got two fields with styling. Little correction here. Content. Again, as you can see, we got two fields with bootstrap styling. Like this, you can custom your forms.py file. Thank you guys.